Mine broke and I'm just replacing it with this one. It's a aftermarket, non original part, made in Taiwan. Pretty sturdy. Bolt it on and see what happens. Okay, so in order to replace the door handle, you need to take off the old one and pull out 3 screws all together. Alright, so there's 3 10mm bolts that need to be removed. There's one up there, one down here, right beside the key cylinder. That's 2. And the third one is right there. And then you can pull this handle out like so. Okay, so I removed the old one from there. Basically, this piece is still attached to it, to the whole locking mechanism. I gotta snap it loose from the bottom between the door panels, basically, and wiggle it out and pull the whole thing out from the outside. So do that right now. Just disconnect this piece. Okay, so here's a side-by-side comparison of the 2. This is the old one that's broken. Actually, these are the 2 pieces that broke from holding it to the door on the inside. And there you go. (2007) original equipment. That's the other half. And here's the new one. It's pretty similar in weight. You know, some differences in the appearance. And I added some grease, lithium grease, for longevity on the part. But overall, it feels just as sturdy. And hopefully, this lasts a little bit longer. Yeah. All right, let's take the plastic off and get her installed. All right, here's the finished product. I don't need the key, just showing you that everything works. Inside. Just put everything back where it came from. Replace all the screws, all of the panel lockers, and should be good to go. All right. Thanks for watching.